Yo, what's up, Gunpla fans? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here the VN001, the bootleg version of the 1/100 scale master grade gun tank from the Gundam UC Century series, the Mobile Suit Gundam. And this is very nice. First impression of this kit. This kit is awesome, and it really resembles the original, the Bandai. And at first glance, if you don't know that this is a bootleg version, you might think that this is an original Bandai model kit. But when you touch the kit, that's the time you will feel that it's a bootleg, because actually the plastic quality of this kit is nice. It's not that brittle, and not a bit bootleggy in plastic quality, but the texture of the plastic, or the surface feels of the plastic, really has the bootleg texture or feels. Unlike the Bandai, if you touch the Bandai plastic, you know that that's a Bandai because of the matted feels, or the smoothness, the evenly smoothness of Bandai kit. But this one, it has some smooth and a bit rough edges on the surface, but still fine. This is fine, by the way. Anyway, the kit here is a gun tank, meaning this is one of the mobile suit from the Earth's Federation, and this is from the Project V, or Operation V, I think, in the Mobile Suit Gundam. Okay, let's go with the features of the kit. The kit actually has a humanoid upper body and a tank tracks on the lower. So GUNTANK is piloted by two pilots, the other one in the cockpit. So the cockpit inside is your core fighter, just like the Gundam RX-78 and the Gun Cannon RX-77. So GUNTANK has the same features, that the torso can separate from the waist, or the lower half, and then the core fighter will go inside and turn into a core block, and it will act as the cockpit. So that's the early Universal Century mechanism for their mobile suit. So this is placed, that features is placed in this kit, which is very nice. And then there's another pilot cockpit on the head. So this is the one controlling the cannons, if I'm not mistaken, and the guns like that. So the guns here, or the firepower of this kit here, comes with the main cannon here on the shoulder. So this is articulated, so it can move up and move at the level like this. So it can move up like that, can shoot aircrafts, and at the same time it can go down to shoot land-based weaponries and machines. And then there's this arms that has the cannons, the Gatling guns on the arms. So I cannot move this now. Okay, it's a bit stuck like that. Okay, you can move it like that, 360 degrees. Yep, but I will not do so because it's a bit stiff, and it can raise like that, something this far. Yep. And the elbows, it has elbows here. Okay, it has elbows like that, and it can move up to this far like that. Okay, So what's nice about the cannon here is you can turn it like that. So if you turn it, you can see the barrel playing like that. Okay, so it can move forward, and it can retract and go inside like that. Okay, you can see the barrel going like that. So whenever it shoots, can you see it like that? Okay, I will zoom it. Okay, it has the mechanism on retract and extend like that. Okay. Also here on the other side, but yep, just like that. But on the right side, it's not that there. Maybe there's some problem on the arrangement of those guns. Okay, okay. So it cannot do some 360 degrees rotation on the waist due to the core fighter that's inside. So if you want to see the core fighter, you need to pull out these tabs here, the flap on the side, and you can remove the upper half, and the core fighter was stuck there. Okay, let's remove that. Okay, so that's it. It's like the same with the Bandai. There's the core fighter, and can retract like that. So this is the core block. By the way, the wings here for the core fighter is a bit troublesome, because whenever you fold it, yep, it cannot fit properly. But now I wonder why this thing now fits properly. For the past 1 year, I cannot do that, but now it fits properly. Oh yes, yes, yes. It just needs some exposure from the camera. Yep. Anyway, the core fighter can attach here like that, and once attached, you can see. Okay, good. And once attached, you can apply the upper half just like that. But it's a bit tight. Maybe I need to insert it properly. And now it's inserted. To be honest, it's a bit tricky when you insert that, and because this is bootleg, you can expect those things to happen. And for the tracks here, the tracks is very, very amazing. The tracks can extend like that, but it's a bit tight there. You can extend it outward. Also on the other side, you can extend that outward, but it's a bit tight again. Cannot do that properly. Okay, cannot do that properly. Anyway, and you can push that inward like that, so it's now inside of the chamber, and it can roll like that. Also, it can roll like that to that far, and there's this mechanism here that it can bring down this lever here. So this is to prepare for the firing, so it will not move. Also in this side, you can move the flap there downward, so that it's like that. I think the purpose of this is, if I'm not mistaken, a Gundam can stand on its platform here while they are rolling together like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, So there it can lock in place like that as well. So we have an option whether you use these rubber wheel tracks here. To be honest, there's this plastic separated plastic pieces that I think these they are 32 individualized part like this that you will clip together, and that's tedious to do because it's too much and very tedious to assemble. So I use this rubber tracks here. Good thing they provided this rubber track. So just apply it like this and put some metal pin there to join those two ends, and presto, you got this very nice rubber track for this model kit, and it's very nice. I like that. You can see here it will just pattern the spikes there inside to the shaft there in the middle of those circles here, those wheels, and it's really a tank. Yep. That's why the name is GUNTANK. Okay, so let's do some size comparison with this kit. And yep, I'm sorry I don't have here with me the Gundam RX-78 and the GUNTANK RX-77, so I will just use my other UC Century lines here. So I have here the Gundam RX-79 Easy 8, and let's put side by side with the Gundam Stamen here, and let's put side by side as well with the Gundam Mark II, and finally the Gundam RX-78-5 or the Gundam Go5. So there we got this very badass UC Centuries model kits here, along with the GUNTANK. So these four model kits here beside him are all Bandai, except for him is a bootleg. So thank you so much for watching this review of the GUNTANK from the Chinese model VN001. See you next time. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night. God bless. Take care. Bye.